What if you could turn just $1,000 into $10,000 by 2026? Sounds crazy? Well, in crypto, it's ambitious, but not impossible. Welcome back to CryptoPulseVision, your go-to channel for smart crypto strategies, deep dives, and altcoin insights. In today's video, I'll walk you through a realistic altcoin portfolio strategy designed to 10x your investment within the next 18 months. We'll cover key trends, breakout projects, and how to manage risk like a pro. Let's get into it. First, let's talk game plan. To hit a 10x target, we can't just throw darts at meme coins. We need a diversified approach that includes strong infrastructure, high conviction narratives, a few moonshots, and some stable yield to keep us grounded. Here's the portfolio split. 40% goes into core assets, solid projects with staying power. We're talking about Ethereum, the king of smart contracts, Arbitrum, a leading layer 2 scaling solution, and Chainlink, the bridge between blockchain and real-world data. These are your foundation. Now, you might be wondering, why Ethereum and not Bitcoin? Isn't Ethereum struggling right now? It's a good question. Bitcoin is the king of crypto, but it's more like digital gold, strong for long-term preservation, not explosive growth. Ethereum, on the other hand, is the backbone of DeFi, NFTs, and Layer 2s. It's powering a massive ecosystem, with projects like Arbitrum, Base, and Eigenlayer relying on Ethereum for security and settlement. And even if it's facing some headwinds today, it's not dying, it's evolving. Ethereum is becoming the AWS of crypto, boring on the surface, but essential behind the scenes. And that's why it's a core part of this growth-focused portfolio. Next, 30% into high-conviction plays. These are projects writing strong narratives with real tech behind them. First, Render, powering decentralized GPU compute for AI and metaverse. Second, Celestia, introducing modular blockchain architecture. And third, Fetch.ai, one of the top AI plays in crypto. High risk? Sure, but the upside is massive. Now 20% goes into moonshots, smaller cap coins with explosive potential. My picks: Morpheus Network, a supply chain automation platform, Akash Network, a decentralized cloud marketplace, and Chain, an AI-powered oracle and data layer. Any of these could 5x or more, but manage your risk. Finally, 10% into stable yield. This could be staked Ethereum through Lido, or yield-bearing USDC via protocols like Pendle or Eigenlayer. It won't moon, but it keeps your portfolio breathing during corrections. So, how do we grow this stack? Dollar cost average when the market dips. Rebalance every few months, take profit from mooners, and feed your core. And most importantly, stay in tune with emerging narratives. AI, real-world assets, DePIN, Layer 2s. That's where the next big winners are hiding. Final thoughts? Crypto rewards the informed, the patient, and the bold. With research, conviction, and a bit of luck, turning 1,000 into 10,000 is possible. But don't gamble, build. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to CryptoPulseVision for more weekly strategies, altcoin updates, and deep dive crypto content. And tell us in the comments, what's your #1 altcoin for 2025?